Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Five foods to include in the diet for the growth of children. With a young child, meals can be an everyday hustle, especially when you want to introduce new foods that include lots of vegetables and fruits that will help motivate your child to make healthy food choices. Children starting their school years have several nutrition requirements that need to be fulfilled for their growth, and at the same time they are also at an age which will help shape their lifetime food habits. The school-going children are still quite growing and physically active, which plays a very important role in determining a child's nutritional requirements. The genetic history, gender, body size and build are various factors that are present in the growth of a child. Now, however, nutrients needed by children are the same that are needed by adults. But of course, the quantities between both of them may vary. In the developing years for children, foods that provide protein, calcium, iron, and vitamin are vital for their growth and also to help them with their development. Without them, the child's growth may be retarded, and in severe cases, it may affect the development of their mental and motor skills. These nutrients are available in major food groups, for example, like grains, fruits, vegetable and food products with proteins. So here are the 5 foods that should be included in the diet of our young growing children. Number 1. Berries. When you first hear the name berry, I think your first guess is strawberry. But my dear friends, in the berries group there are also many other berries like blueberries, raspberries, cranberries and mulberries. And this berry family contains vitamin C, which is rich in antioxidants. This berry family promotes eye health and aids in digestion because they are super high in fiber. Also, they maintain a very healthy skin and boost the immune system. And that is what your children need at their young age. They protect the healthy cells from damage by free radicals and they help in promoting the defense system in the body. You can add them in your yogurt or salad or serve them raw to your children. I promise it is super tasty, super healthy and very colorful. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are the natural supplement for muscle mass, function and power. This is the reason why the consumption of eggs as breakfast is actually important and especially important for the children who are growing. However, eggs are a great source of protein and also have 9 essential amino acids which are beneficial for the growth of your child. Eggs are also one of the best sources of choline, which is an important nutrient that supports brain development. You can serve your eggs boiled, scrambled, or fry it to prepare omelets. Children may love omelets. Oh, and also when you boil your egg, you can put a little salt and pepper for some taste. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals that your body needs to properly function. And also, it has a good amount of monosaturated fat that will help your heart stay healthy. Now, this is not just for the little ones out there, this is also for you parents. You can also make peanut butter at home with some simple steps. Peanut butter is actually an incredibly abundant source of protein, and eventually the proteins turn into amino acids, which help to synthesize new proteins. It also helps to build body tissues and create enzymes to allow digestion, and that helps to metabolize your food. Now, however, certain brands of peanut butter add sugar, salt, palm oil and partially hydrogenated fats, which reduces the nutritional quality of peanut butter. So just look out for your label carefully. I'm sure children will enjoy peanut butter when put on bread. And maybe if it's homemade, they may enjoy it even more. So try it out. Whole grain foods. Grains are such a common part of our diet actually. So why not feed it to our children also? When you're a new mother, you are thinking, what should I feed my child? So grains definitely should be one of them. But few of us actually know what a grain really is and what are its benefits. Now, whole grains are high in carbohydrates. They also provide the body with a very nutritious source of ready energy. Whole grains contain a lot of fibers, which helps you keep fuller for longer time. What better food than grains to help your child's digestive tract be clean and running efficiently? However, incorporating more whole grains into your diet as well may be a good way to improve your health and your child's health too. And it also helps to prevent dangerous health conditions. The amarnath, barley, maize, ragi are one of the finest options for fiber-rich food to help prevent constipation. You can serve them in the form of biscuits and whole grain bread to your child. 5. Bright colored vegetable and fruits. The most exciting part. Fruits and vegetables are highly nutritious and have excess vitamins and minerals. When it comes to the color of vegetables, you must aim to eat all the colors of the rainbow. So make it fun while your child eats. And that will also give you all the wonderful benefits of the antioxidant vitamins and minerals and also phytochemicals. You must include carrot, pumpkin, sweet potato, cherries, tomatoes, papaya, onion, celery, beets, etc. in your diet. These foods are high in beta-carotene and other carotenoids that change into active vitamin A in the body. However, vitamin A is vital for good skin, vision, growth and repair of body tissues. It is quite better to serve them raw or maybe in the form of salad as nutrition to your diet. Your child's health majorly is determined by the genes, and then there are other factors that also play a very important and vital role. Now, it is not possible to expect children to eat everything and follow a balanced diet. They are quite fussy at times, but it can be achieved gradually by following a healthy lifestyle. You have to motivate them and include nutritious food, see new ways to maybe decorate the food or prepare them in a certain way and help them to boost their health with an overall growth and development. So, all the best with that.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.